Hi guys, I am Yashodhan Agnihotri, a final year student at IIIT Pune, and I will be your host for today. Welcome to our channel, Learn Competitive Programming with CodeChef. On this channel, we post weekly problem explanations and concept videos. Also, if you are interested in competitive programming and want to master data structures and algorithms, this is the place for you. So, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button and kickstart your journey towards competitive programming today. So the problem in discussion today is from the recent April Cook-Off and the problem name is Bodybuilder. The difficulty level of this problem is cakewalk and the prerequisites are none. Let us now understand the problem statement. After solving programming problems for years, Chef has become lazy and decided to get a better physique by doing some weightlifting exercises. On any regular day, Chef does n exercises at times A1, A2 up to AN. So these times are given in minutes, which are all distinct. On each exercise provides a tension of B1, B2 up to Bn units. So we have been given two arrays, array A and array B. Array A contains times at which Chef does exercise, and array B contains the tension for each exercise. In the period between two consecutive exercises, his muscles relax R units of tension per minute, such that the total tension is non-negative. So considering the time of exercise and hence the tension to be negligible, find maximum tension he will be feeling in his muscles during the entire period of his workout. So let us take an example. So let us suppose Chef as an array A. So he does his first exercise at first minute and the second at the third minute. And say he feels tension of 10 during the first exercise and 12 during the second exercise. And let us say the value of R over here is 3. So his muscles relax 3 units per minute. Now let us see what can be the maximum tension. So at the first minute, he has tension 10 in his arms, right? Now there are 2 minutes between the next exercise. So total tension that will be reduced is 6. So 10 minus 6. So at minute 3, he will have tension 4. Now again at minute 3, he does an exercise equal to 12 units. So 4 plus 12. So 16. So 16 will be the maximum tension that he feels during his whole exercise. So the answer for this case, it will be 16. Now let us see the solution approach. So for the solution approach, now let us see how to approach this problem. First of all, we have to maintain an answer variable which has initial value 0. So the initial tension that Chef has is 0. Now let us start iterating the B array. So when he first does exercise, he faces a tension of B1, right? Then answer will be equal to B1. Now, as we know that he loses R units of tension per minute when he relaxes, right? So basically, how much will he lose? So he will lose R into A2 minus A1 after the first exercise, because A2 is when he starts his second exercise. So this is the tension that he loses after his first exercise. So now answer will be equal to B1 minus R into A2 minus A1. When he starts the second exercise, then his tension will be equal to B2, and similarly it will continue. So B2 minus R into, now he will rest again the time between the second and the third exercise. So that is A3 minus A2, and this will continue so on. So this can be easily done by iterating the whole array. And what we do is we keep a result variable, and we just store the maximum value of answer till now in this variable. So having seen the solution approach, now let us see the C++ implementation. So in the C++ implementation, first we take input n and r, the two variables. N is the number of exercises that Chef does, and r is the number of units units of tension he loses per minute as he rests. Now we take input the two arrays, that is array A and array B. Now as I said, we'll maintain an answer variable and a result variable. So first we'll start iterating from the first element to the last element. So first we will add BI. So what is BI? BI is the tension acquired in the ith minute, in the ith exercise. Now we calculate what is the maximum value of result till then. So result is equal to max of result comma answer. Now if I is not equal to n minus 1, so after the last exercise, chef won't lose any units of tension because there is no exercise after that, right? So if I is not equal to n minus 1, that is last exercise, if it is not the last exercise, then we will subtract r into ai plus 1 minus ai, that is the time between two consecutive exercises. So this will be subtracted from the answer. Now if answer is less than 0, then answer should be 0, as they have clearly stated in the problem statement that the tension should be non-negative. Now having seen this, so we directly output res on a new line, because res will contain the maximum value of tension among all exercises. So I hope you understood this question, and thank you.